I'm doing my skin routine for the day, and I found this sample pack of. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. I'm just like amazed at the outcome. Like, oh my gosh, it's called. So I'm gonna tell you guys. But hold on. It's called Ada Ada no, don't ask me. It's a Tokyo skincare. It's skin plumping gel cream, deep hydration with super hydrolaric, no, hyaluronic with super hyaluronic acid. See, I'm gonna read it for myself. Cause me I tell lie. See. Me I think on the cassie. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. Whatever. It's a plumping gel cream, and look at that. But I don't want to put on makeup right now. I just put on just lip, and I put my eyebrows on. I didn't even outline them because I'm not going anywhere today, and I don't want to put, because I'm trying to fight the acne on my skin. So, well, on my face. I don't have acne on my body, but I'm trying to fight the acne on my skin. And January 1st, so if any of you are interested whatsoever, I have 24 pounds to lose before February. So if you are interested at all in losing weight and finding out what it is that I'm doing, January 1st, I will start a 60-day, well, it's not technically 60 days because February only has 28 or 29 days. But it's going to be a 60-day challenge where I will be trying to lose, movement on. So I will be trying to lose, well, I will be losing 24 pounds to get down to my goal weight so that I can have my closet system installed by my husband, because he challenged me and I have to push myself. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Excited. 26 pounds is not a lot considering I already lost 30. So, I can do it. I know I can do it, and I know you guys can too. So for the New Year's, it's not a New Year's resolution because I have been on this journey for a little bit. So it's not a New Year's resolution or any of that. It's just a lifestyle. And yeah, so January 1st, well, before January 1st, the Monday before, so I don't know which date that is. So this coming Monday, I will be starting, and I will be posting all of my info on Instagram. So make sure you're following me over on Instagram to see what it is that I'm doing and all that. So anyways, let me go get these kids situated and get me some coffee in my system, and I will catch up with you guys. But anyways, good morning, guys. Okay, so I need to find I hate stuff on the floor. I need to find all my planner stuff because, you know, I'm a planner girl. So this is my old planner, and I'm just using it to okay, so this is my old planner, and I'm just using it to, this is my old budget planner. So Madison got an old hold of it, and I had stopped using it because this budget planner didn't really work for me because of the layout and stuff. So this is my budget planner. I need to find the rest of my stuff. So let's go in my closet. I have a bunch of randomness. This is my old planner. This is how bad it's been. I've neglected my planning. Like, I gave up on planning my life, basically. And this is what it's gotten down to. Just thrown about. So, hopefully I can get all of this sorted out. Like, oh my gosh, look at this. This is a mess. Okay, so I need to see what I have, what I don't need. Like this is my old mini. I took the disc off and stuff, so and then I have a bunch of sticker books. I have a lot of sticker books. I have a ton of sticker books to be quite honest. So I need to organize all of this and then see which planner I need. Ah! Oh! Oh! I just stubbed my toe. Ooh! Oh! Oh my! Oh! Oh my gosh!
What happened? You stabbed your toe?
Ooh! I'm fine. Oh gosh, it's 11:15 and I'm just coming downstairs.
Oh yeah, it is.
Like it's almost 12 o'clock. But I'm setting up my planner and I don't need to buy any planners because I had undated planner from a few years ago, so I'm gonna set those up. And then I'll probably get a classic size for my personal because so far I've been able to combine my social media, budget, and to-do list all in one planner. And then I need a personal to keep track of all my craziness because I feel like this is the year where I need to, next year is the year where I need to, you know, just focus. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I do need to get the classic. Oh my gosh, guys. Maddie got a hold of the guns and we're hiding.
Well, it's not a waffle! It's not a waffle!
It's not a lot more. Maddie, shoot him! Shoot him, babe!
Okay, wait.
Shoot him, boo!
Okay, so lock one now.
Oh, Lord. Oh, no! Ah!
There. Unlock one.
You mean safety?
Safety.
Maddie! You better not shoot your mama.
You better not shoot your sissy. You can shoot me, I don't care.
All right, come on. Back to getting the chores done. Change it. Change it.
Mommy?
Tell the remote what you want. No, talk it in the remote. Tell the remote what you want. Tell it to the remote. Okay, tell the remote. No, you do it.
Yeah, I'll do it, Daddy.
Do it.
Daddy.
No, let her do it.
Okay. You do it. Mommy.
Do it.
Barbie, say Barbie. Say Barbie.
Go ahead. Tell it to the remote. No, tell it to the remote. The remote's listening. You have to press the button. Did it work?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again.
Barbie.
Let me do it. Let me do it. See if anything happened. Barbie Dream House on YouTube.
No, Mommy.
Did it work?
No.
Why do
No,
you...
Mommy.
What do you want to watch? Okay, how about Peppa Pig?
No.
Peppa Pig on YouTube.
No, Mommy.
You don't need to say Pepper Pig.
Look, there go Peppa Pig.
No, Mommy.
You want to watch Peppa Pig?
She wants to watch
Okay, well, I don't know what you want. Ratty door, Rob, come home. Rob is home. Is that Rob?
Yeah.
Is that Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. It's Friday, so I don't have to worry about anything because he's supposed to be, yeah, it's Yo-Yo Friday. So, Jojo, shut it. It's Yo-Yo Friday. So, I don't have nothing to worry about. He's fine. So, okay. That's what you do. You run from your husband when you come home. Oh, let's see. Shh. I picked me. Hi, Rob. How you doing?
Good, I need the trash can put away.
How you doing, Mr. Rob?
Why is it hot in here?
Is that hot?
Why is the
Oh.
heat on?
I just, hold on. You calling all of them?
I'm calling the one that says I have trouble.
Oh, okay. Rob brought the kids home some pizza for dinner. And make an appointment for this guy. Has a cavity. Hey, can I clean up your mess? Yeah, you have a cavity.
Albornoz. I was calling because I received a letter from my son, Jaxson and Albornoz, from the Children's Center program. I'm having trouble reaching Dr. Deborah McClinton.
So,
I did.
Rob ordered from some fishy website. Hey, stop yelling. Rob ordered from some fishy website a gift for me. And it just showed up, what, today's the 27th?
Don't let her excuse the thing.
What is it?
Seems heavy. That like. How much you want
He
to try?
said it's something that I wouldn't even guess what it is.
I know it is. I didn't even tell
It looks random.
That's the top of me. I didn't know it was.
You open it here.
Okay, here, hold the camera.
This should be on.
Is our address on this? Yeah.
Let me just say. Wow.
How do you open this?
It's from Ohio, right? Wow.
Wow.
Really?
Really?
Who has a queen now?
What is that?
Me? Knocked that on the floor? Who's supposed to pick that up?
What is the thing on the mug?
What is this?
Told you it was random.
Wait, what is it? What?
It's a man.
It's a muscular
What
woman.
is that?
Why?
A
What is
muscular
that?
woman from
I'm gonna
Starbucks.
find you.
Why? You see, like, I should get a muscular woman on it. She was thinking about me every
That's
day.
supposed to go with your
Really? What, really?
A muscular man.
It's supposed to go with your chocolates.
Are you grateful?
Can I stop recording?
You grateful for that? You can think about it. Wait,
Oh
why
my
though?
God, look what this man got me though.
Why though?
Peppermint mocha.
Want a wise
You're
mocha?
serious,
Yeah, I get-
DICK. It's not even a real Starbucks cup.
It is. It's a muscular woman with a beard.
Why?
Just for you.
I don't want it.
I'll taste it.
Thank you, Rob. This was so thoughtful.
You like the cup?
Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you guys the planner setup tomorrow because for some reason I can't vlog past 20 minutes on my phone anymore. I don't know why. I keep saying not enough storage, even though I deleted a whole bunch of stuff. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Make sure you come back here tomorrow, same time, same place. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.